Welcome to OCR Cambridge Technicals Level 3 in Information Technology. This is Unit 6 Application Design, and in this video we're looking at M3, negotiate the adaptations with the identified client to refine the design solution. This is a nice easy piece of evidence to provide. So you must make sure you've completed P6, which was to gather the feedback from the client or the users, and in M3 what you're going to do is negotiate the changes and make them to your app. Really nice, easy criteria to fulfill. The difficult part is perhaps showing how you have done this. So we'll look at an example of a student's work, and you can see one way of how to present evidence for criteria M3. So here's an example then of a student's M3. Down here we've got the down here we've got the different features or adaptations that the client or the feedback suggested. Now this is drawn straight from P1, so you copy and paste them into here. This is the suggested change and then the action that is required in order to do that change. So for example, when you go to play again, the app does not start off at question 1. The client wants it to start at question 1 when they try again. I changed it so that when they try again, it doesn't start at question 2 anymore. The app starts from question 1. Probably a good idea, that. And then what we've got here is edit number 1. This is the changes they made to the code. Okay. And then edit number 2, or edit number 3, it does not keep track of the score. So they've go to edit number 3. They've now changed the code so that it keeps track of the score. So nice, easy way of presenting the features and the suggested changes, and then demonstrating that you've actually made those changes. You've also, if you've made a second copy of your program, so open up your app, save it as a version 2, you'll also have a workable version there showing the differences, and then the moderator or marker can look at the original version before the features were changed and then look at the second version with the changes. Here's another student, very similar again. Current features, suggested changes, action required, and then underneath they've got the different versions. So version 1, then it's the changes. Okay, so they've just done the full version 1 and then they've made the changes and written about them underneath and included the code for that. Okay, so that's another way you can do it. You can include the original code, well, that's a bit overkill, and then talk about the changes you've made and include the version 2. Personally, I prefer this one. I think it's a bit easier to mark. Number 4 is there. You can scroll down to number 4, see the changes they've made and what they've done to it. Quite simple. Okay, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Next video is going to be Distinction 1.